In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add crease, edge crease in Blender, how you can add edge crease. So let's start this tutorial. I will add here UV sphere, and I'll go in edit mode. I'll select these faces here, and now I will extrude, and then I will press on the keyboard Ctrl+4, and I'll go in edit mode, and here I will just turn this off, and I'll just select click 2 so I can add edge crease. All right. Wait 1 second, and now I can simply press on the keyboard Shift plus E. All right. Or you can also press Ctrl+E, and here we have edge crease. And now if we enable this, now look. Right? Now to remove this, you just don't have to select it, but yeah. So yeah, when you add the edge crease, just make sure you okay, now it's perfect. Shift+E, and now you add edge crease, and now as you can see in edit mode, this looks just fine. So I really hope you found this tutorial valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.